Good morning, children. Chapter 12 Seasons and Clothing. Seasons and Clothing. First, we are going to learn about weather. Season means it's a weather. The air around us is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. So we say that is the day is hot or cold. We talk about weather. So we all will say the climate it's very hot or cold. So it's called a weather. Next, seasons. When a particular type of weather remains for a month or two, more than a month. So we say this is called a season. There are main three seasons in India, that is summer season, winter season and rainy season. Another two more seasons also it's there, children, that is autumn and spring season. First we are going to learn about summer. So from which month the summer starts? In the month of April, May and June. The sun shines directly over us during this month. The sun is very hot in this month. So it is very hot during the summer season. We keep ourselves cool in these months because it is very hot. So we feel like to keep ourselves as cool by wearing cotton clothes. In summer, we like to wear cotton clothes. We use fans, coolers and air condition in summer season because it is too hot. So we like to feel to have a coolers and air condition as it is hot during this season. Our body sweats a lot in these 3 months. So we like to drink plenty of water. Very often we'll become thirsty. So we'll like to drink plenty of water. We should avoid soft drinks and ice cream. They are harmful for health. People like to go to hill station in summer because the weather is pleasant. It is very cool there. So people like to go for hill station during summer season. Next, rainy season. In the rainy season, a dark clouds appear in the sky. There is a lightning and thunder. We carry umbrella. If you want to go out, we carry umbrella, wear raincoats and gumboots to go out in the rain. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky during the rainy season. During rainy season, in the sky we'll see the rainbow. Our farmers eagerly waiting for the rainy season because they want to grow the crops. No, if rain provides water for the crops to grow. In rainy season, more rain also it's not good for the crops. Limit rain should come to grow the crops in rainy season. Do you know, children, from June to September, cold and wet winds blow from the sea to the land. These winds carry rain. They are called monsoon. June and September month, cold and wet wind blows from the sea to the land. These winds carry rain. So they are called monsoon season. Next, winter. We have winter from December to February every year. During this season, the days are short, the nights are long. Days are short, the nights are long during winter season. Cold wind blow during this month. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters and coats to keep ourselves warm. In the winter season, we feel very cold, so we like to wear woolen clothes, sweater, coats to keep ourselves warm. We enjoy taking hot drinks like tea, coffee, and hot food because it is very cold, so we like to take tea, coffee, and hot foods. Some people also use heaters or light small fires to keep warm. Next, autumn and spring season. In the month of October and November, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. It is not so hot, it's not so cold. The trees shed their leaves. So all the leaves will fall. This is called autumn season. From the tree you can see all the leaves will fall down. So in the autumn season. In the month of March and April, the weather is again neither cold nor hot. In the month of March and April, again the weather changes. It's not so cold, not hot. So flowers bloom and the trees have new leaf. See, in the month of October and November, the leaves all will fall. In the month of March and April, again flowers bloom and the new leaves will come during this time. So this is called a spring season. I hope children you all understood this lesson. Learn the lesson once. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.